You got it going on. You got it going on.
Hey, what's up? It's Ashanti, Susie Q, and this is our show.
Yep, Barbies are us.
You can't hear the soundtrack. This is our soundtrack. Listen. Fly bitches just bob their head.
I'm about to run from scared of the dick. Now I throw this to the shit
And handle it like a real bitch.
Have a hunter. What?
Take it in the butt.
Oh no. Alright. You know our show today.
Baby, it's a big mama thing. 21.
21 and another one and another one and another one. 24 carats, nigga.
And that's when we fucking with the average nigga. But we don't do average niggas.
Exactly.
No,
Not
above average over here. Big things popping.
Montclair motherfuckers.
Oh yeah. Okay, so
Alright.
this is Ashanti.
This is Susie Q.
And this is our new show.
Barbie's us.
Yes, because we're Barbie. Thick Barbie.
Bitchy Barbie, of course.
Shout out to our other Barbie, Sassy Barbie and Hood Barbie. Yes.
And Pretty Barbie.
And Pretty Barbie.
That's how we do it over here.
Yes.
Black Barbies all day.
Yes, we
Our
are.
show tonight is going to be top 10 reasons to hate a bitch.
Top 10 reasons to hate a bitch.
We hate bitches.
Yes, we do hate
We are
bitches.
bitches too. I guess we hate us, but fuck out of here.
Yes, we don't hate us. Bitches hate on us.
Yes.
Okay.
I like that. Yay.
Reason number 10. Bum bitches who think they're fly.
Ew.
Oh my god.
Are you serious?
You ever been to a party and this bitch had on like yellow Uptowns that was once white Uptowns, but she got on antique jeans? Like, come on. If the math don't add up, boo boo, it's not working.
Ew.
Yeah. Reason number 9.
9. Stop fucking grilling me.
Yes.
I don't fucking like you.
And we know we're cute,
Exactly.
so it's no reason to
Take
be
a
holding up in
picture?
here. It lasts longer. 1, 2, 3 pose. Okay. And reason number 8. We hate bitches who think we want your man.
Ew.
Your men want us.
Exactly.
We don't want them.
We don't want them.
No, we don't. Trust, we don't. Because they are ridiculous. Okay, reason number 7.
Smarts.
Oh, Jesus Christ. If your hole is bigger than your head, something is wrong.
That's what's up.
Hey,
Ew.
don't blame it on your baby, because that's not cute.
Farting. Nah, no
like-
ketchup. No ketchup bottles over here.
Farting over here like...
Who does that? Cotties. Anyways.
Dumbass sluts. Okay, reason number 6?
Yeah.
Okay, reason number 6. It would have to be like girls who walk down the street thinking they're the shit, but then when they walk past you, you smell that odor, like that funk. Like, OMG, what the fuck is that? Remember the girl in the store?
Ew.
This bitch was bent over. I was trying to get my Blue Mountain Dew, and I walked up and the fish just smacked the shit out of me. Like,
That is
whoa.
crazy.
Yes, and
That's
that shit was
ridiculous.
funky.
Oh my
So reason
god.
number 5. This is the critical shit, people. The critical shit. Top 5 reasons. Okay, number 5, Sunas.
I don't know.
Me neither. Okay. Bitches with nappy weaves. Oh my god, it's 2009, boo boo. You could go to the Chino Man and get you a good pack for like $11.99.
Exactly. Or is she? Duh.
Exactly. A brush and a bumper.
Do
There's
girl?
miracles.
Duh.
Oh my god, miracles. Okay, reason number 4. Reason number 4.
My sister.
Please.
I hate that bitch.
If your name is Siobhan, oh my god, you just got no advantage at all.
Just got to go. Now we have hating bitches. Hating bitches.
Alright, reason number 3.
That bitch.
So bad, the bitch had to be up here twice.
Hating bitches.
Okay, reason number 2. Okay, this is serious. This is serious.
Oh my god. Stop wearing the clothes over and over and over.
It's ridiculous if I can say so-and-so is going to wear that outfit every Wednesday. That's
Oh
just
my
sad.
god, that's mad.
Or if you have your favorite item and you just keep wearing it over and over and over again. Like, let the shit rest. It's tiring. Don't share clothes. That goes under 2-2. Do not share clothes. If it's your friends, don't get fly off of your friend's shit, boo-boo. You can at least go to the bootleg spot and pay your little $25 for your jeans down picking or something. Like, come on.
How you know that?
Oh, cause bitches, I know dirty bitches. Yeah, they be telling me secrets. So dirty bitches, you just got blown up. Okay.
Keep your secret to yourself.
The number 1 reason to hate a bitch.
Oh my god.
Bitches that hate on us.
Oh, exactly.
That is the number 1 reason to hate a bitch. Because if they hating on you, not only us, because there's other fly bitches that get hated on.
Yeah.
And if you're getting hated on, you're a fly bitch. High five. Kudos to you. We love you. You know, shout out to you. Yes, stop and give a pretty smile. Okay, and yeah, so that's the top 10 reasons to hate bitches.
Okay, we will be having a special guest in a minute. special guest.
Siobhan, you've seen her for reasons 4 and 3. She'll be here in a minute. But let's talk about our tattoos. Me and Sue got tat. I got an A for Shanti. You see that? Yeah. Susie Q got the S.
With the crown.
And that shit hurt like hell. OMG. WTF. I was ready to cry. But I'm a G, so I just took that shit.
G'd up.
We G'd up. And we from Brooklyn. We are from Brooklyn. Shout out to all the hoods in Brooklyn. Bed-Stuy.
Canarsie.
Brownsville.
Flatbush.
Bushwick.
East New York.
Yes, those are all the hoods that we're giving shout outs to.
Yep.
Because we're popping and we're dope.
Yep.
And
you can feel it in your nose.
you can feel it in the air.
Yeah.
Yeah. Brooklyn is where we go hard.
We have 2 questions to the public. What the fuck is that in her face?
You ever saw somebody and you just thought that? Like, what the fuck?
God forgive.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, God.
God and bless everyone with these looks. We understand. And bitches, we are not conceited. We're just well aware. Yes. We're not cocky. We're confident.
Yes.
So when you tell me I'm the best bitch, it's a compliment. Shout out to Jay-Z. Love you, my dude. Yeah, and I just want to know why you don't like me. Like, if you're watching this, you know who you are. And let's just be a grown woman and be real. Like, why do you not like me? I didn't do anything to you.
Tacky ass bitch.
Sweetie, I didn't do nothing to you. I'm very nice. I don't like you. But thank you for tuning in to our first show. You're super cool for tuning in.
Give it up to my mommy, Kimberly Jones, Little Kim, the Queen B.
The Queen S. Yeah. And, next time we'll have different topics. Next week I think we're going to talk... Next week, you hear me? Tomorrow I think we're going to talk about Chris Brown and Rihanna.
Yep, Chris Brown and Rihanna.
Because I got some words for that big foreheaded bitch.
Yes.
And my boo Chris, Breezy, keep your head up, daddy, you know?
Yep.
Nothing but a time.
Any topics for any shows, please hit me up on my
YouTube.
Susie Q. SUEZIIE capital Q. Do you hear that? Capital Q.
Capital Q, bitches. Or you can hit me up on MySpace. MySpace.com/DonDiva710. You know how to spell? If you do, you'll hit me up. If you don't, you're dumb.
Yes.
Yes, really dumb.
We're about to be out this bitch. You just gotta pay our shit. Let's go. How we do it? What?
What? Is it marriage?
Bitch is bad. Baby carriage. Damn, I love that ass.
Peace.
You got it going on. What?